Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to the video lectures. This is lecture 6, class 3, subject English, book Grammar and Usage, topic short forms, and I am your teacher Uzma Shehzadi. Let's look at the contents of the lecture. First of all, there are some instructions for the students, then introduction, explanation of the topic, practice work, and home task. Look at the instructions first. Be ready, students. Have your full concentration. Take out your notebooks and your books. Make sure you have your stationery items with you like pencil, eraser, etc. At the end, you must be supervised by your parents or your elder siblings. Now, come to our topic, that is short form, and it has another grammatical name, that is contractions. We'll discuss what is a contraction or short form. A contraction is a single word which has been formed by combining two words and replacing one or two more letters with an apostrophe. क्या होती है? contraction एक सिंगल वर्ड है जो कि दो वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करके बनाया जाता है और एक या दो लेटर्स स्किप कर दिए जाते हैं वर्ड्स में से और उनको रिप्लेस कर दिया जाता है एक apostrophe के साथ. apostrophe का साइन एक कॉमा होता है जो कि उस लेटर के ऊपर आता है जो स्किप किया जाता है. आप देख सकते हैं ब्रैकेट में एक रेड कलर का कॉमा लगाया है, दैट इज़ एन एपोस्ट्रॉफी. लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स नाउ. आई एम, टू वर्ड्स हैं. आई और एम को जब ज्वाइन किया है तो आ को स्किप कर दिया एंड दैट इज़ द वर्ड आई एम. वी आर, टू वर्ड्स हैं. जब इनको ज्वाइन किया गया है तो वी और ए आर में से अ को स्किप किया एंड देयर इज़ अ apostrophe, so the word is we are, and the third is was not. Not में o को skip कर दिया and there is an apostrophe you can see and the word is wasn't. Rules to make short forms. There are 3 rules. Number 1, almost always the first word stays the same. The second word is always the one which has one or more letters removed. Number 3, finally an apostrophe is placed where the removed letters used to be. Now look at these rules one by one. Number 1, when we join two words to make a short form, the first word always stays the same. First word change नहीं होता. The second word is always the one. हमेशा second word में changes आती हैं जिसमें से one या उससे ज़्यादा letters remove किए जाते हैं. Third, finally an apostrophe is placed. जो skipped letters होते हैं उस place पे apostrophe लगा दी जाती है. Look at the examples. Did not. Did एक word है, not second word है. Second word में change आया है. O को skip करके उसकी जगह पे apostrophe लगा दी गई है. The word is didn't. Do not. Again O is skipped here and there is an apostrophe at that place and the word is don't. Are not is the third word and the short form is aren't. Okay, so there are 3 things to remember whenever you make short forms. You just keep these rules in your mind. Okay. Now we will see what are the common short forms. One of the common short forms are those that are formed by joining a word with a word not. When forming a short form with not, it is O in the word not that is removed and an apostrophe is placed where the O used to be. To make a short form from the two words is and not, what we have to do? Put the two words together, remove the O and put an apostrophe where O is used to be. एक एग्जाम्पल में बताया आपके सामने है इज़ नॉट, दो वर्ड्स हैं, इन दोनों को ज्वाइन किया हमने और बीच में से ओ को स्किप कर दिया एंड एट द प्लेस ऑफ ओ देयर इज़ एन अपॉस्ट्रॉफी, सो द वर्ड इज़ इज़न्ट। तो ये सबसे कॉमन जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं उसमें नॉट की फॉर्म्स हैं। देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स विच आर मेड बाय द वर्ड not. There are three exceptions to the rule which we have discussed earlier. There are three words which do not follow that rule, so these words are called exceptions. We will look at them one by one, that how to make short forms of these words. Number 1. There are two words will and not. We join these two words. We skipped ILL from the word will and O from the word not. And we have put an apostrophe there, so the word is won't. In the second word shall plus not, in the word shall LL is skipped and O is removed, so the word is shan't. In the third, can and not is the word. N and O have been skipped here and the word is can't. Now we will practice how to make short forms. Here is a list in front of you, full form and short form. These are the words with not. In all these words, O have been skipped from the word not and at the place of O, an apostrophe has been added. Let's read these words with me. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Did not, didn't, or didn't. Here are three exceptions and their formation is different. We have discussed earlier. These words are will not and the word is won't, shall not and the word is shan't, can not and the word is can't. Here are more few words. Let's read them out. Full form and short form. Has not, hasn't. Have not, haven't. Could not, couldn't. Should not, shouldn't. Would not, wouldn't. Must not, mustn't. Okay students, there is a home task for you at the end. You will learn and practice the table of short forms given on your book, page number 70. And keep practicing. Okay, kids, hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of your family. Thank you.